What's up, you guys? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? It's me again, your girl M. Williams, licensed master stylist with over 30 years in the industry. Here I am doing a 20 and 22-inch bundle install. I'm also going to add a pop of color, which she requested, which is the honey blonde, which looks like more of the orangey looking blonde color. She didn't want anything too bright of a blonde. She just wanted little pops of color. So you're going to see me add that in. Now her hair is already braided up and she's getting a traditional sew-in. Traditional sew-ins just means that she has some leave out. That's all. So she's going to have a little leave out at the top. So whenever I do sew-ins or anything that I do, I'm always very cognizant of the health of the client's hair. It does not matter what service someone is getting. If they're sitting in my chair, my main concern, or one of my main concerns, is the health of their hair. And so if you could please subscribe, that would be great. Trying to get my subscribers up. You guys know it ain't no joke on YouTube. I've been grinding. I've been putting this content out here for you guys. I have over 200 videos on here, on YouTube uploaded. And to make it so simple for you, I have a QR code staring right at you right there. All you have to do is scan with your smartphone and you scan to subscribe. That's all you have to do. Just scan this QR code just to subscribe. Once you scan it, it's going to take you right to my YouTube channel, Sugar Salon TV, and all you have to do is just smash the subscribe button. Thank you, thank you, thank you. If you're new to this channel, thank you so much. I really appreciate you taking your time out to look at this video. So it's a traditional sew-in. So as I was saying, it does not matter what type service a client is getting, whether it's a new client, an old client, a current client. No matter, it's a client is sitting in my chair, a male client, a female client, a high school client, a college client, a elderly client. It does not matter. Integrity is everything to me. So a client puts their trust in me and they come to my place of business and they sit in my chair. That means to me that they're trusting me to service them, to give them a good service, to be professional, to be on time, to get them in and out, to be able to answer any questions that they may have, which takes experience to do that. And also to be able to, if they have any feedback or concerns, to be able to talk to me without me getting angry, upset, or whatever, if it's actually a genuine concern. So right here I am adding, as I mentioned, she wanted some pops of color. She did not want anything too bright. So pretty much this honey blonde that you see, honey blonde. So what I did, I put all the dark color in the back, and then I waited till I got to the top of her head to put the pops of color. Because if I would have put them in too soon in the back, it'll be less visible. So I put it in the picture also that she sent to me. It's showing more of the color at the top of the head. And so when people send me pictures, I always do my due diligence and I do my best to give that same result. So the pops of color were mainly, in the front. A little bit was around the back. So she was satisfied and happy. This is a long time client. She's a high school client, been coming to my salon forever. She used to come to my storefront. So when she came to my storefront, I was not her stylist because I just did a few people. I just serviced a few clients and I mainly did a lot of managing. So she did stay with my brand, the Sugar Salon brand, and she's actually a twin. And her twin is getting her hair done soon. So this is, again, a 20-inch and a 22-inch install. The picture she sent, the hair was extremely long. This hair is very soft. It's not real coarse hair. So that's why it looks like a really nice texture. And I colored some pieces of hair in advance before I even started her install. And so that's how I did that. Then I just added them in. I let them dry in the dryer because, as we all know, virgin commercial hair, it takes a while to dry. So I did all that in advance so I wouldn't have to be waiting a long time. So you see the pops of color, they already look beautiful. It doesn't look like it's too much. It doesn't look like it's not enough. To me, it looks just right, and she loved it. So just continue to do this install. Now, as you see, I think you should have been able to see, I have a net, and I put nets on everybody. It doesn't matter what kind of weave I do, whether it's a lace closure, lace frontal, traditional sew-in with leave out, sew-in with no leave out. It does not matter. I'm always going to put a net on there, and I prefer the nets that are like a stocking cap with holes in it. I don't like those other nets that comes in squares and you got to cut them, and they're kind of hard and scratchy and itchy. I don't use those. I use the kind that goes over your head just like a stocking cap, and it has holes in it. So it has breathing holes. And what it does, it protects your hair. It protects the braid. It's less stress on your hair because I'm not just braiding, or actually not just sewing hair and tracks down on your actual braids, which will, to me, cause more stress on your hair. So I put a protectant over it by putting that net on everybody, even with the leave out. So when there's leave out, I just simply cut around the leave out, cut the net, and voila. So this is Kendra spray. I'm finished with the install. Again, this is some really nice virgin hair. She got the hair from me, and again, it's 20 and 22-inch hair. And so I just put, of course, a 22-inch in first, and then a shorter 20-inch hair in. So I love the Kendra spray. They have so many different types of sprays. So this one is a softer hold. And so I'm just doing some drop curls on her. So these are some TG flat irons, or actually curling iron rather. And it's like a 1-inch. So the TG, that's short for Tony and Guy. So that's the curling iron that you see me using. Again, here it's simple for you to subscribe. Just scan the QR code. So pretty much I'm just doing the comb out now. Again, this hair is very soft. So when you do those drop curls like that, it's going to give you that look where you curling the front backwards, back towards the back of the head. So both sides on the face. And here is the finished look. And you can see those pops of color. Of course, we went outside so we could grasp some of that color. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please drop some comments. Please like. And here's a finished look again. Here's another picture. And here's another picture. Those little pops and drops of color. You can definitely see them. They're there. Again, this is 20 and 22-inch hair. Virgin hair. Like, comment, subscribe. See you on the next video. Thanks for watching.